Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to prune beefsteak tomatoes. Well, tomatoes come in all different shapes and sizes, and generally you don't really need to prune your tomatoes and you'll still get fruit. But by pruning them here and there and periodically through the summer, you will find that you will get, in the end, larger, more sustainable fruit. And that way you can have large tomatoes for your garden and for your kitchen. So as they grow, you'll find that tomatoes almost grow like a vine, and they'll vine all over, whether you put it in a tomato cage or against a trellis or up against a fence, they'll make a big vine. If you let them grow naturally, they'll get very spindly with lots of vines. But by pruning out some of the side suckers, you will find that the main branch will get much thicker, and then when they produce flowers, you'll have much larger tomatoes. So you never want to prune more than 1/3 of the plant at one time. So by just pruning out every 3 branches away from your tomato plant, you will find that they'll get much thicker and much lusher, and you'll have even larger beefsteak tomatoes.